Sikubingelele mbukeli sikwamukele kusoke isigaba sokugcinisa lokho nje uhlelo lakho iKaizer News Talk uyibukela igama uSimangele kanti sibongo sami ngwakatshirwa kanti saqhubeka nalo ke ingxoxo yethu sinayo nayo ke meya yomkhandlu waseMhlathuze njengoba beveza ukuthi ke izinto lezenziwa ke iqembu leAfrican National Congress okuyi-ANC ngamafupho azimkhathazi nakancane njengoba ethi ke benza konke okusemandleni ukulimaza ke igama lakhe ngenhloso ukuthi ke bathole ke umkhandlu waseMhlathuze.
To say Piwe can't say to me I'm corrupt. He is the one who's corrupt. Because he earned money knowing, you know, the MFMA, for instance, the Municipal Finance Management Act, says if you receive money which is not due to you, you are paid money like you have an overpayment. What it says, you must bring it back. Or the account officer must recover it, if it is in the councillors or wherever. Now, that corrupt young man can't tell me that I'm corrupt. He can't do that. He must rather, as a last advice, he must rather, spend this time that the ANC is not in power. He must spend more time to go and finish his degree. Politics now is not going to be something that he must go to conferences and fight with the people because he wants to be a councillor as a form of employment. He mustn't do that. He must go back to school. The guy is capable. The guy is capable. He can still go to school and finish his degree and stop all this nonsense. I'm saying he went to the interviews with people who had degrees and honors degrees. Out of that, the ANC leadership at that time and the municipal manager got into a deal to appoint someone with matric. He had people reporting to him, educated more than him. What do you call that? If he wants to deny that, he must tell us. We will take documents and show the public. I'm not speculating here. If I know items are MPEC, I was really ask where I'm chairperson of the delegated items. I reported directly Office Legal Speaker, where Upiwe is also a councillor. He knows about these things. But because the aim maybe is to tarnish my name, because, I must indicate that I know of the meetings that he has said with the previous employees to plan to destroy me. I told my leadership there are people who are still alive in this earth who were there when these things were discussed. I know the bitterness that the guy has because there is this thing now that in this municipality I've got superpowers. I don't have superpowers. But I also act within my scope. So that report, according to my knowledge, has not been finalized. And once it is finalized, the portfolio committee of which has got 3 members of the ANC, they will engage that report when it comes in the portfolio committee, corporate services. When that report comes in the council, he will then do what? He will engage the report. Why do we jump the gun?
But izikhathaza kangakanani into leyifana njengalezi mangabe sokhuluma nje nge-report le whistleblower ikakhulukazi mangabe zibhekene no-acting municipal manager okuyena umuntu umphathi womkhandlu osebenzisana nawo Mr. ukuthi zikhathaza kangakanani?
Ziyangikhathaza like all other whistleblower reports. You see, for instance, I think the guy is heavily challenged. And I would have thought as a dropout, as a law student, will understand processes of how this matter should have been dealt. A whistleblower program exists in the municipality. Yayi adoptelwana ukuthi uma kwenzeka ukuthi kukhona into member of the public eyibona ongazathi ayihambi kahle eyenziwa either i-official noma ngabe i-general worker uyadlula ama-general worker alele phansi kwesihlahla ungayisebenzisa leyo number ekhona. It's run by a private service provider who runs that. It's not one, I think there are 2 or 3. Now, some few months back, yaba khona leyo nto leyo ke ukuthi ke kube ne-whistleblower report. I-whistleblower report ma umuntu efonile kufanele ku-investigatewe. Ku-investigate abani? U-private service provider. I-investigate ebese kungena i-report kwa-corporate services, right? Because it is under corporate services. Ingene, ma ingene i-report is for noting. So ingangena i-report yento okufakwe i-whistleblowing last week noma last month, ngenza example. Laba mabengakaqedi investigation we can't take a decision about that until when these people say the allegations ukuthi impela kunabasebenzi bebelele laphaya. We have investigated as whistleblower service provider. We have investigated. Indeed, we found that abantu begqoke leya uniform bekubasebenzi bakamasipala. We really found information and so on. Or mhlawumbe it's not like bebehlezi phansi kwehlahla kanje ngoba bedoja umsebenzi. Bebefelwe imoto belinde enye imoto ezobalanda.
Okay. Okusho ukuthi ngamanye amazwi.
So I'm saying to you, i-report yahamba yaprocesswa ngawo wonke ama-processes. I-council yayinotha. Ayikabuye i-report enye ethi the allegations, angithi ubani uzosinikela information? U-service provider lo we-whistleblowing. Uyena ozositshela ngokulandela ngoba fanele ahambe aye kulo muntu lo owenza njani? Owamfonela. Amtshela ukuthi nginike i-evidence. Amnike i-evidence. I-evidence ipresente kuphi? Kwi-council. It is after that mina makuthi ngisupervise bani umhlongo, I must take action. Uma kuthi kunomunye umuntu osupervise umhlongo njengoba i-Systems Act isho, loyo muntu engimsupervisayo mina ngoba imithetho ihamba kanjalo ukuthi umhlongo u-DCM umkhandla. Akayena umuntu o-appoint o-service provider. Kunama bid committees that deals with that. So I'm trying to say to you, ngokwazi kwami enginakho, there is an internal process that is done by an independent whistleblower company. As council, we did what the portfolio committee noted the item. They never said, ayibuyele move. Ukube for instance, yathi portfolio committee ayibuyele move le item ingasave la. That will be a cover up. Ukube ngesikhathi fika kwi-council ngoba i-portfolio liya ka-community corporate services okukhona khona i-program ye-whistleblower ayidluli kwi-ESCO. Angihlali mina kuleyo portfolio committee uZonita Grobler, Councillor Zonita Grobler who chairs that committee. So it reports directly to council because it is a section 79 committee. So nami le report angibonanga kwi-ESCO. Ukube yathi mayongena kwi-council ngathi hey ayingangeni njengomema ngathi ayikwazi ukungena le item. Angithi yabona, that will be a cover up. But to me, ayikho enye report eke yabuya yazothi no, we are closing off that report because of this and this and this and so on and so forth. You see, corrupt people, because they know what is corruption and how to do it. They think all of us are corrupt.
Okay.
Right? And they, to the point where they don't even, explain properly what is corruption. You see? Because they are used to it. And I'm going to show you in the days to come to say how people who says today we are corrupt, how they were corrupt and being able to do fraud in this municipality. The very same person, you must go and ask him why he defrauded the municipality, being employed as a manager public participation, earning more than 1 million rand a month without a degree. When he went to the interviews, wahamba wayo interviewer nabantu abanama degrees. Why say cover up ngencwadi ukuthi anginayo degree, ngicela ukuthi mina uma nilokhuza uma ningiqasha angithi ngizoyithola degree in 5 years. Wazi wakhokhela nawo masipala ukuthi ayofunda aqede le degree wangayibuyisa. It's fine. For the first 5 years wayenayo le ncwadi yayimcover because uDr Sibeko wenza idiscretion yakhe angithi. But from the 6th year up to the 10th year, ngoba he knew ukuthi akanalutho lumcover, that more than 5 million rand that he earned, isn't that fraud and corruption?
All right. Speaking.
So I'm trying to show you a picture ukuthi what did we found here as Lumabantu, and when we correct them and address them, abantu baqala customer aspersions ukuthi I'm not going to back off. If there were things that happened before my administration, my administration here in this municipality is going to uncover the truth and hold people accountable. We can't be frightened by people who make noise now that we are corrupt, when in fact them were corrupt to the core. I'm asking him, why did he continue? 5 years is fine. He requested, they granted him, although that was wrong. But from the 6th year, why did he continue? Knowingly that he doesn't have a letter that he has written that covers him, he doesn't have a degree. Did he bring back the money from the municipality which he was paid in the university? And that is a wasteful expenditure from the side of the municipality. That is corruption and fraud. Earning money knowing that this man is funnel. That is fraud and corruption. He defrauded the municipality. These things exist in this municipality. Now, I can't out of ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi uPhiwe angikhulume kahle noma kube ngathi uyangithanda and then I bow to the foreign gods. I'm not a kind of a person like that. I can't get in the corners like you hear people making noise in the corners and get into dodgy deals. I don't do that. I speak about things that I can stand for wherever.
Sesifinyelele kunaka amaphethelo alo uhlelo sikuthulele lona usuku namhlanje uSimangele kaChiro ngihamba nalo lonke ke ithimba leKaizer News Talk asiphinde futhi ke sihlangane ngokuzayo.